My people, good morning from here, and good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of us wherever we may be around the world at this time. I'm your sister and your daughter, Nwada Rosemary Williams. And Facebook, please, for all the music we are going to use today, please grant us permission to use them. But today we are going to do something different. We are not going to start with any music or any song. We just have to go straight to the point. First and foremost, I want to use this special opportunity to thank our people, our Biafran people, our IGBO people, and the lovers of freedom all around the world, especially those people in Nigeria and those in Igbo land and Biafra at large. I want to thank all of you who have adopted the sit-at-home on Monday demonstration that we are all talking about. Monday sit-at-home is very, very crucial. It's very, very sacrosanct for all the Igbos and Biafrans at large. It is very important that we know the meaning of the sitting at home on Mondays. I know that there are other extended sit-at-homes that follows. And whenever they have any kinds of sit-at-home, I believe that everybody should observe that. Everybody should observe any kinds of sit-at-home, if not for anything, for your safety and for, making sure that your family is also safe. But Monday sit-at-home is very, very crucial to us. I see people running around talking about how to stop the sit-at-home and why the sit-at-home is not good for them. Now they are going about screaming and forcing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is in captivity, who is in detention, in the DSS custody. And these were the people that we thought were very good. The people that we thought that have the interest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at heart. The people that we thought that have the interest of the Igbo people at heart. The people that we thought that are fighting for Biafra liberation. And all of a sudden, for whatever reason that they have come up with, now they are blackmailing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I'm talking about the people that we respect. We respected in the past. We believed in them in the past. In the person like Enyinnaya Abaribe. And in the person like Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. What went wrong? What have changed? That's what we are asking about. And that's why we are very, very disturbed that Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe is now threatening anybody that is working for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or anybody that is talking about Biafra restoration, or to bring development or freedom to the Igbo people. Enyinnaya Abaribe, what went wrong? Why have you suddenly fallen from grace to grace? Why have you suddenly turned your back on your people? Why have you followed the IFEAJUNA pathway? Enyinnaya Abaribe, everything you made us believe in the past, everything you made us to think about you, believing that you were the person, the only person, lone voice, standing and calling for the good of your people. We did not know that you were an enemy within us. You came, you put yourself inside to get information, to see where we were standing, to make sure that you walk from inside, and you betrayed our people. Why, Enyinnaya? Why, Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe? Why? What have we done to you? Why are you threatening the people that are fighting for the liberation of our people? We need freedom. We need independence. We don't need to be in one Nigeria. One Nigeria has suffocated Igbo. One Nigeria has suffocated all Biafrans. Look around you, Enyinnaya. Aba was one of the best and finest cities around the world. I remember the time we were in the secondary school. I remember the time of our late brave leader, Sam Ononaka Mbakwe. I remember during his days and the people that came before him and the people that he worked with. I remember when our people were standing up for the Igbos. What went wrong? The Igbo leadership have downgraded. They have downgraded them. I remember the time Jim Nwobodo and Ono were in the office. I remember the time Alex Ekweme and the likes were in the office. I remember the time our Imo State, during the time of Mbakwe, Imo State qualified to be the center for the World Cup. We had the Zulus. We had the Operation Keep Owerri Clean. We had all those things. I remembered. Even the time we were in schools, we are being asked to pay. Our parents were asked to pay for the Imo State airport. I remembered. We used to go to our inter-house sports, and everywhere was clean. The roads were very nice and rare. It was not too far away. What went wrong? The refineries in River State, in Warri, and other states, there were a few of them at that time. I think about 5 refineries within Nigeria. They were functioning very, very well. We had all we needed. All of a sudden, the refineries were closed down, the breweries were closed down, the cement industries were closed down. Everything shut down. Even our ports were shut down. Those are the things we are fighting for. And we want our brother and our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to be out from where they keep him in captivity. Enyinnaya, we know that your pocket is full. We know that the wealth you have stored for your family up to the 5th generation, they cannot finish it. But look around you. Look around you, Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe. Is that all you can achieve in your whole life? Personal gain, personal pocket, you and your family. I believe the people that were before you, if they had wanted the progress of themselves and their families alone, you wouldn't have had a chance to become a senator. Enyinnaya, please stop persecuting us. Enyinnaya Abaribe, stop persecuting us. We did nothing to you. And Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, it's a shameful thing that you have degraded yourself up to this level. Now you have become the well, from the beginning you have been a one Nigeria. I have always been skeptical about you, but I'm so grateful that now people that had me in those days, they will know that I have always been skeptical about what you can do and what you are doing for us. You're a businessman, a lawyer, a barrister that need your own pocket. And you have shown it to the world today. How dare you? How dare you blackmail our leader? How dare you blackmail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Hamadike one of Igbo, the great leader of the Biafran liberation movement? How dare you? Oh, we never knew that this is what you have been doing behind a closed door. You will pay for that, not by human beings, but by karma. The law of karma will be before you, and let karma judge. You're supposed to be the speaker, the representative of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You're supposed to be the one fighting for him, not the one jeopardizing him. What are you trying to do? You want us to start telling, oh, our leader said do this, our leader did this, our leader did that. No, we cannot do that. Because anybody that heard our leader spoke when he was with us, we know who he is and what he stands for. I'm just telling you and your group members, you saboteurs, to get out of our way. We will no longer pay attention to what you're saying. Is Biafra or Biafra or Biafra? That's what we learn from the university where we belong. And for you and your people who are trying to betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to make him a liar, to put spotlight on him, to make sure that you make a Nigerian government say that he said this or he said that. Bear in mind that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in captivity. Bear in mind that he is under the custody of the Nigerian DSS. Bear in mind that anything that you are doing now, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, you are putting our leader in the harm's way. What you are doing is not supposed to be. Please, stop it. Stop saying, Nnamdi Kanu said this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in captivity. Even if he said something to you in private, why are you exposing him? Why are you making him look like he is inside that place and commanding the whole world? Stop doing it. You know what you are doing. That's not good. That's all I came here to tell you today. And to my people, my Biafran people, we will carry our seat at home 100% to the maximum capacity, especially on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's day, which is Mondays of every week. The Monday is very, very important. And if the Nigerian government wants the Monday sit at home to stop, they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because if they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the sit at home will stop. This is a very simple request that we are making. It is very simple because the Nigerian judicial system on October 13, 2022, declared Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a free man, and they say he was discharged and acquitted. If he was discharged and acquitted, why is he still under the cage of the DSS? Why is Barrister Aloy Ejimakor not fighting for his release, not telling the Nigerian government that they should release him and stop the sit at home? Why is Enyinnaya Abaribe not telling the Nigerian DSS to release him and stop the sit at home? Why do they want to keep him forever under lock and key and they want us to go home and sleep? We are not going home to sleep. We want our leader to be released and be free. And for anybody chasing Simon Ekpa around, I have not seen anything wrong that he is doing other than he's demanding for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because when the government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the sit at home will stop. That's all he asked for. Why are they chasing him around? They will never succeed. They have done that to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they will not succeed with Mazi Simon Ekpa. Thank you, my people. And please help me to share this broadcast and make it go viral. I still remain your sister and your daughter, Nwada Rosemary Williams. Thank you so much.
Biafra, na Biafra, wenyere m ofe aka gị. Nwanne ikwere na Biafra, Biafra weneri. Ikwere na Biafra, wenyere m ofe aka gị. Ikwere na Biafra, Biafra.